guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J Black, and Miss Muhammad is the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic we will be reviewing this very hair, guys, from ALIGRACE hair. If you all could remember, I've once reviewed a hair from this very company called Straight Wig 4x4 180 density. 22 inches hair, a straight wig. Let me drop a short clip of that video if you cannot recall that. I love you guys. You all is the straight hair, Brazilian straight hair, 18 inches Brazilian hair. And it's a closure wig. Can you see? Oh wow. Install in just like some minutes, just 2 to 3 minutes, you're done. So you all should please stay tuned and see how the hair looks like. Looks so gorgeous, guys. You all should please comment down below. She's so happy to rock this hair. So let's meet Muhammad do some modeling, some modeling. She loved doing all those kind of things. So let's have to do that for all you guys. I love you guys. But if you want to coil it, this hair got you. So let's try to do the coiling thing just in front of her face here, just the front hair. Let's try to coil it and see if it will come out properly. Don't forget, this is what we are using to just coil the front hair. So let's see how it will come out. Whoa! Can you see that? This is what I'm talking about. So let's do the other side too. You can use a stretcher to just coil it. Yeah, guys. Can you see that? That's how the hair looks like. It's a very beautiful hair. I told you all that they have a lot of beautiful, gorgeous wigs. So today actually we'll be reviewing this very hair, from their company again. Can you see that? ALIGRACE hair, guys. I love their hair so much. I love all their hair so much because they have nothing but a beautiful, natural human hair wigs. So actually we'll be reviewing this hair. Is a coily lace closure wig 180 density 22 inches hair. Coily lace closure wig 180 density 22 inches hair, guys. And what I so much love about this hair is a 100% natural human hair. I love it so much. It's so soft, silk, and beautiful. So let me show you all a little bit sample of how the hair looks like. Let's unbox it together with you all. I love you all. So guys, can you see that this is how the hair looks like? Can you see? I love this hair so much. It's so soft, silky. Can you see that? I love the hair so much. So it's a coily lace closure wig 180 density 22 inches hair from ALIGRACE hair. Can you see that? This is how it looks like. I love this hair so much. It's so affordable. So affordable, guys, trust me. And one thing I so much love about this very hair, you all can see that the other week we review, that's the straight hair that once reviewed on this channel about their company. It's so soft, it does not shade, and at the same time it's so easy to install. And I love this very one also because this very one is the vibe, guys, because you can install this very hair in just 2 minutes. Like, trust me, guys, just 2 minutes, because it comes with a clip inside that you can just clip with your hair. If you want to apply glue, then fine. And if you are not the type that likes to apply glue, then this hair still gets you. You know what, you can install this hair in just 2 minutes, guys. Yeah, I repeat that, just 2 minutes. Repeat that, just 2 minutes. Because it comes with a clip that you can just clip with your hair, or you can just clip with the wig cap that it comes with. Because it comes with a wig cap, it comes with an instruction on how to take good care of the hair. You don't need to take it to the salon, you can do that at home yourself. So you can just, after clipping the hair, you just take off the excess lace in front of the wig, and you know what, you're good to go. That's all. Yeah, trust me guys, that's all. So you all should please stay tuned and see how we install this hair on Miss Muhammad in just 2 minutes, because Miss Muhammad will be the one to feature this hair. I don't even think it will take up to 2 minutes, but you all should please stay tuned. And please, if you want this very hair, I'll be dropping the link down my description here. This hair is from ALIGRACE hair. They have a lot of beautiful hair. Apart from this very hair, they have a lot of beautiful straight, curly wig, bob hair, and lots more. I'll just drop the link down my description box. Please, you all need to check them out. I love their wig. It's a 100% human natural hair, and at the same time at a very affordable rate. So you all, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video, let it go viral, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to show your baby girls some love. Guys, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J Black, and Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, let me show you all an example of what I'm talking about. Can you see that? Can you see how soft this hair looks? I love this hair. This hair is a coily lace closure wig, 180 density, 22 inches hair from ALIGRACE hair, and this is the perfect example of what I'm talking about. That you don't need to do any work on this hair, just install it like this on your hair, clip it with the clip that is inside, don't cut the excess lace in front of the hair, and that's all guys. That's all. That's why I said it will take you just a minute or 2 minutes to install this hair. I love this hair so much. I love it so much. So if you love this hair, I'll be dropping the link down my description box. Apart from this hair, they have a lot of beautiful hairs, guys. You can see an example of what I just showed you all. So they have a lot of beautiful hair. So this hair is a coily lace closure wig, 180 density, 22 inches hair from ALIGRACE hair. So you all should please place your order. I love you all. Mwah.